The Ford Maverick is about to get a serious performance upgrade thanks to a new factory-backed package that transforms the compact pickup into something far more exciting. Known as the SV300T package, the upgrade increases output to 300 horsepower, while adding several chassis improvements designed to make the truck much more enjoyable on winding roads and autocross courses. At the heart of the package is a larger turbocharger, borrowed from the Ford Mustang EcoBoost, along with a performance intercooler and a Ford racing exhaust system. Together, these upgrades give the Maverick's turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine an extra 50 horsepower over the standard version. The result is stronger acceleration, quicker throttle response, and a more energetic driving experience that feels much closer to a hot hatch than a traditional pickup truck. The performance improvements go well beyond the engine. Ford also equips the package with lowering springs, upgraded stabilizer bars, performance-tuned shock absorbers, and stylish 20-inch wheels available in bronze or black. Combined with the all-wheel drive system, these upgrades provide impressive grip, sharper steering, and much more confidence through tight corners. Drivers looking for even more stopping power will also be able to add an upgraded brake package through Ford Custom Garage. This factory-supported aftermarket division offers components that can be installed by authorized Ford dealers while maintaining a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty when dealer installed. One of the biggest advantages of the SV300T package is flexibility. Buyers will have the option of purchasing the complete package or selecting individual components to customize their Maverick exactly the way they want. The package will also be available for Maverick XLT and Lariat models, allowing owners of multiple trim levels to enjoy the same performance upgrades. With 300 horsepower, sharper handling, aggressive styling, and factory-backed reliability, the Ford Maverick SV300T could become one of the most exciting performance trucks in its class. It delivers the fun of a sporty performance car while keeping the everyday practicality that has made the Maverick so popular.